The Sportsman Series 400 kit empowers you to provide high-quality first aid to several people and explore the wilderness with greater security. Every kit features a unique external map listing all its contents. Inside the kit are clear pockets that are organized and labeled by injury, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features an irrigation syringe to clean wounds, butterfly closure bandage to close wound edges, and sterile dressings to protect wounds. The cuts and scrape section includes our exclusive Easy Open technology, easy access bandages, antibiotic ointment, tincture of benzoin, and wipes, including medications that treat allergic reactions, itches, pain and fever, inflammation, and diarrhea. Fracture and sprain items include a 36 by 4-inch C-split, plus a wide variety of wraps and bandages to immobilize and support fractures. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a comprehensive guide to wilderness and travel medicine, is an indispensable resource that provides instructions for diagnosis and treatment, illustrates life-saving and trip-extending solutions, and includes step-by-step detailed guidance for using your kit's contents. It's like having a doctor in your bag. Take life-saving trauma supplies with you and leave the larger kit at base camp. This lightweight, waterproof trauma pack has supplies to administer CPR and to stop severe bleeding, featuring a Wound Stop trauma bandage and SWAT T tourniquet. The Wound Stop is an all-in-one trauma bandage in a compact, lightweight package. With its built-in 4-inch by 7-inch trauma pad, 3-yard elastic bandage, and sturdy closure bar, the Wound Stop trauma bandage is an indispensable tool for stopping major bleeds. A versatile trauma tool, the SWAT T is a go-to tourniquet for military, EMS, and civilians alike. Simply stretch, wrap, and tuck to stop bleeding quickly in an emergency. The SWAT T can also be used as a pressure dressing, elastic bandage, shoulder sling, and more. The Sportsman Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine. Be prepared for your next adventure by ordering your kit today.